Hello everyone, welcome to OmicsLogic Bioinformatics community. In this video, we will be providing you with step-by-step guidelines on how to access the complementary resources as a part of our recent webinar on OmicsLogic Multi-Omics Research Internship Program. In case you missed or wish to rewatch the webinar, the recording can be accessed on our program website. The link to same will be shared with the registered participants over an email. In this webinar, we introduce the participants to a research program where students and researchers can advance their studies or research by training in various omics data analysis techniques across different specialization tracks. To help you get a glimpse of this program, we have designed an innovative short multi-omics workshop on cell line cancer case study that you can review and learn. As a part of the complementary resources to this workshop, you will get access to our meticulously curated online courses on Introduction to Bioinformatics, Bytes and Molecules, as well as a specialized coursework on patient-derived xenograph models. These online courses include short video tutorials, visuals, link to datasets, associated publications, and more. Additionally, participants will also be getting demo access to our cloud research infrastructure, where they can practice several of the data analysis techniques that are covered in the coursework. Now, here is a step-by-step guideline on how you can get enrolled in the program. The first step is the registration process. This has commenced as of December 26th and will end on January 2nd. So during this duration, the registered participants are required to sign up on the OmicsLogic Learn platform and complete your profile. Then you're requested to reach out to us with your LearnU ID in the registration form that will be shared with you. In the second step, upon successful registration, the participants will gain access to the program courses and demo access to the cloud research infrastructure. The program will end as of January 9th. So the participants are requested to complete their training till that date. Finally, the feedback and certification. Upon completion of the program, the participants will submit a learning progress feedback and earn a certificate recognizing their participation. Now I'll show you how you can sign up on the OmicsLogic Learn portal. First, visit learn.omicslogic.com and click on the login option that you see here. If you already have an existing account on the portal, simply enter your existing email ID and password and click on Sign In. If you are registering for the first time, click on Create an Account option that you see here. Enter your name, email ID, password, and few other details, and then you can create an account. Or you can also sign up using any of your existing social media handles such as Google, Facebook, GitHub account, or Twitter. Since I already have an existing account, I have signed up using my email ID and password. And the very first interface that you see is the courses page. Now, to set up your profile, on the top blue bar that you see here, you will see Welcome Back with your email ID. Click on that and it will redirect you to the profile settings. Once you're in your profile settings, there are a few features that you need to update. To do the same, simply head over to the profile button that you see here and enter a few details. Make sure that your name is in proper capitalization, add a profile image, a brief bio about yourself that will consist of your educational background and research interest, and a link to your social media handles. This could be your LinkedIn account, Facebook account, Org ID, or other social media handles. Once this is completed, click on Update, and this will automatically get updated. To enroll in the program, you are required to submit your LearnU ID. To do the same, simply go to your profile settings, and in the profile settings, you will see the link to your profile. Simply copy this and add it in the Google form that has been shared with you. Now, in your profile, you will also see several other sections such as activity, courses, projects, programs, and certificates. In the activity section, you'll be able to see the learning progress that you have been making. Under the courses section, it will display the course progress that you have been making, as well as the various example projects that you might be going through. Under the Programs tab, it will display the workshop access that you will be receiving once your profile has been completed. And under the Certificates tab, it will help you download the various certificates that you get as a part of the coursework as well as for the program. At the end of the workshop, if you're interested to work on an independent research project, you can consider enrolling for the OmicsLogic Multi-Omics Research Program under the guidance of a mentor. The details of this will be available on our program website, and the link will be available in the email that has been shared with you. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing your participation.